challenging it can be to sound more natural when you are a beginner English learner. I realized that one of the best ways to sound like a native speaker, even if you are a beginner English learner, is to start using the phrases that they use in their daily lives. I am Bahar, and in this video I'm gonna talk about some American phrases that native speakers use a lot in their real life conversations so you can sound more fluent and confident. You ready? Let's get into it. The first phrase that we can use a lot in our daily conversations is "it makes sense." It's used to show that you understand something clearly because it's logical and reasonable. It's a way of acknowledging that an explanation is acceptable and clear. For example, you can see that your friend is saving lots of money and you are asking them, "What are you saving money for?" They would answer, "I'm saving money to buy a new phone." You would say, "Oh, yeah, that makes sense." And on the other hand, we have "that doesn't make sense." It means something is confusing or something is not logical. You would say, "What's going on? That doesn't make sense." Like when someone is at the bus stop on time and they miss the bus. "Oh, I missed the bus, but I was already at that bus station." You would say, "That doesn't make sense. You were there, but you missed the bus." So you can use it when something is not actually logical or reasonable for you. You would say, "What's going on? Does it make sense?" No. And also you can say, "It doesn't make sense to me." For example, when someone says, "Sorry, I forgot our meeting because I was so busy today." You would say, "It doesn't make sense to me." You could set a reminder. Imagine a student is at home the whole day, and tomorrow when she goes to the school, she says, "I haven't done my homework. Sorry." What would you say? Does it make sense to you? The second phrase that is so common is "what the heck?" You can use this phrase when you are feeling surprised, annoyed by something unexpected, or confused. It's a way to show your reaction when something doesn't seem right or catches you off guard. You would say, "What the heck is that? What's going on?" There are different ways to use this. You can say, "What the heck is going on?" You know, when you don't know what's happening around you, you would be like, "What's going on?" or "What the heck is going on?" When you say "what the heck," you are actually emphasizing on it. You are showing your reaction that you are actually confused or surprised or shocked. Like when you walk into your house and you see that your friends are throwing a party, you would be like, "What the heck is going on? What's happening here?" Another way to use this phrase is "what the heck did you do?" You know, when someone has done something unusual and you are so shocked or frustrated about it, you would say, "What did you do?" or "What the heck did you do?" For example, when your sister has had an accident with your car, you would be like, "What the heck did you do? I didn't know that you took my car." We have another famous phrase that we can use with "what the heck." It is, "What the heck is this?" Imagine you walk into your room and you see a big spider on your wall. Would you scream, "What the heck is that?" or no? You can tell me in the comments. It's been a while. I have used this phrase a lot in my videos. It means a lot of time has passed since something happened or since you last saw someone. It's a way of showing that person that a lot of time has passed. You would be like, "Hey, how's everything? It's been a while." After the summer break, when you see your friends or your teachers, you would be like, "Hey, it's been a while." It means a lot of time has passed since we last saw each other. A way to use this is "it's been a while since." It's been a while since we went to the beach. I miss those trips. You can use it a lot when you see someone after a while. You would be like, "It's been a while. How's everything?" You can mostly use this phrase when you meet your friend or when you return to a place. You would be like, "Oh, look at this place. I miss this place. It's been a while." The next one, speaking of. Let me explain it with an example. Imagine you are talking with your friends. You're talking, and in one of your sentences, you said, "And on Monday, I reviewed some of my English lessons." One of your friends would say, "Speaking of English, how was your English class last week?" It's a way to change the subject of the conversation to something new, but at the same time, you are connecting it to another topic. It is used a lot, especially when you are meeting someone for the first time. They're talking about their interests. "My hobbies are cooking, swimming," and you say, "Oh, speaking of swimming, I am a swimming teacher." You are connecting the topic to another topic, but you're actually changing the subject of the conversation. Let me give you an example. Imagine Sarah says, "I'm trying to eat healthy food." And her friend says, "Speaking of healthy food, have you heard about that new restaurant?" Or "Speaking of healthy food, have you hit the gym today?" The last one is a slang phrase. It is no cap. It is used to show that you are completely honest. You are not lying and you are telling the truth. To emphasize that what you're saying is honest and true with no exaggeration. For example, "I saw a big bear on the street." No cap. It means I actually saw it. I am not lying, I'm being honest. The word cap here means lie. So when you say no cap, it means no lie. For real, it is true. For example, "No cap, that was the best pizza I have ever eaten." If your friend says, "That was the best movie ever," you say, "That's no cap, the movie was fantastic." Another example, when you're chatting with your friend and you say, "I got all A's on my report card." She replies, "No cap, that's awesome." And also, when you want to emphasize on your own honesty, for example, "No cap, I didn't eat your cookie last night. Seriously." So I just talked about 5 American phrases that you can use it a lot in your real conversations if you want to sound fluent and confident. Especially if you are a beginner English learner, these phrases can help you to speak better and also boost your confidence. So if this video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now and like this video to support me and to let the YouTube algorithm know that you have enjoyed this content. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Have a nice day.